about the speed ramping. I don't know if I'm doing it the way you want it done, but I'll show you what I do. Since I already covered the timeline being in 23.97, I'm shooting in 60, everything is already playing incredibly slow. And again, if this was on a gimbal, it would be much faster. So I will show you what I do to speed ramp. So let's play this slow, and then I want to speed ramp. I only use speed ramps to transition from one composition to the next. I've found that's the only thing that really makes sense, instead of doing it just for fun. So I'll click here, and then Control R brings up your speed change, add a speed point where I want the ramp to start, and then I want the ramp to end right here so that it slows down right as that edge on the left is pushing past, so it opens up the view. Add speed point there, and then I just drag those close together, zoom in here, right click, and I show retime curve, and I change that to a curve. And then I'll drag these out as far as possible. And I'm going to turn off the color grading so that it plays smooth. And that didn't quite go as fast as I want, so I just drag it a little closer. And then if we were going to stabilize, we'll see. I shot that handheld, so it's going to be pretty rough anyways, but there's that. And that's the basic speed ramp. And then if I wanted to transition from one shot to the next, sometimes I'll speed ramp that. So I'll go speed 800, and then I'll butt this one up. And I'm going to reverse this because this is moving forward, and the next clip needs to also be moving forward to make the speed ramp transition work really well. I'm going to show the curve, add curve to that one. So let's go to speed change, reverse the clip. I'm going to speed that one up so it looks about the same distance. Change the curve to that as well. Just got to zoom in to see those controls sometimes, and we'll see how that, oh, I'm going to stabilize that one too. Let's see. There we go. Speed ramp in there, speed ramp in there, etc. And that's it.